What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is BrookeEbonie. I am a licensed esthetician and I upload videos about aesthetics, business, lifestyle, all of that good stuff. I did want to put out a quick disclaimer. All of these Vajacial videos are up here for educational purposes only, for my fellow esties that just want to see how you can do a vajacial or different things that you can do in a vajacial. So they are censored if they are on YouTube, but I do have an OnlyFans, which will be linked down in the description if you want to see the video and learn how to treat the lip area, the labia area. It won't be censored over there. So let's go ahead and get started. As you guys know, I am going to apply the cleanser. This is Skin Script's Glycolic Cleanser. I do purchase this directly from them. You have to have a license in order to shop on that site. I did see a comment and somebody was like, no, you don't. Well, go ahead and go on there. The link will be down in the description. Y'all, I told myself I will not be even acknowledging negative comments. But yeah, baby girl, go ahead. The link to the website will be down in the description, honey. And shop your little heart's desire. I don't know. I know I had to upload my license in order to purchase from this company. So now that we have the cleanser applied, we're going to go ahead and go in with our spin brush. This is not the spin brush that I would prefer to use. OMG. I normally use my Duvolle spin brush with the body brush attachment, but I am in between assistants right now, so that brush needed to be sanitized, and I do have a whole sanitization process, so it wasn't a situation where I could just grab it and clean it real quick and then, you know, start the service. No, so I just used the brush that I had sanitized and was clean. But if you all are interested in the Duvolle brush with the body attachment that makes this process so much easier, that link will be down in the description as well, along with my code that you can use to get 70% off. You really cannot beat that. 70% off. Yes, honey. But so after we get done with this cleanser, we are still going to exfoliate. Even though we are doing nanoneedling today, we're going to go ahead and go in with an exfoliant. And y'all, please excuse me. I do try my best to work around the tripod whenever I am recording these videos. So sometimes my feet may hit the tripod or my body. You know, your girl is a big body beans, honey. Yes. It might, you know, it might shake from time to time. Please excuse. And then it is a touch. The on off button is a touch button. So sometimes, you know, when I'm reaching around, the light may go off. But your girl is trying, y'all. I'm trying to get the content out there for you guys. So right here, we are applying our exfoliant. This is a chemical exfoliant. I mean, not a chemical. This is a mechanical exfoliant. And you know, mechanical exfoliant means that it has a scrubbing agent in it. So it's pretty much a cleanser with a scrubbing agent. And the scrubbing agent is what helps to get the dead skin, the debris, sebum. For those of you that don't know the jargon, that's just oil. And that's what helps to get all that stuff off of the skin, you know, reveal that new fresh layer of skin, honey. And y'all know I don't like to waste products, so whatever I put on my little painter's plate thing, I have to use all of it. So we're going to go ahead and continue to apply until I hit pan on my little plate thing, because no, your girl has to, you know, get her money's worth. It is important. These products are high. They are not cheap. Speaking of that, thank you so much, honey. If you are still watching, thank you, girl, because you are helping me rack up that view time, which means I'm racking up my little bag, even though I don't even know for sure yet if they are going to even let me monetize this video. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. And if they do, honey, excuse the ass, but I got to let them fly. Got to let them fly, honey. Your girl needs her coins. Got to get them. because these products are not cheap and my prices are not super high. I am in Little Rock, Arkansas. I get that question a lot, like, where you located? Where you located? Y'all, I'm in Little Rock. I'm in Little Rock, y'all. And I can't be charging $1,000 for a vajacial. Nobody here is going for that. We don't even be having events and stuff like that. Y'all, I'll be getting so off topic. Oh my God. I'm using my spin brush once again to help exfoliate her skin. Y'all excuse me when I be getting off a topic. If y'all get, you know what I'm saying? If y'all here just simply for the educational content, just excuse your girl. I just be talking. Everybody say they want to hear me talk and they don't want to hear no music, even though I might put a little music on this one. You know, so just excuse your girl. And yes, I do use warm towels to get the product off. Sometimes I might, break my little sponges out, but I don't like them sponges. But I do purchase them because they do come in handy sometimes. But anyways, we are going to go ahead on and apply our serum that we are going to be nano needling into the skin. She has been coming to me for over a year now, y'all, on schedule. When I say this particular client here, honey, she comes every 4 weeks for her Brazilian and every 2 weeks for her vajacial. So whenever you are going to decide to cross over into a more advanced skincare regimen in this area of the body, don't just hop right in doing nano needling and microneedling and all of that. Start off slow, honey. Start off, you know what I'm saying? You got to get the skin conditioned to being, manipulated and all of those things. So we have already done chemical exfoliation. We've done mechanical exfoliation. We've done different type of cleansers and all of that. And she really reacts. Her skin has come a long way. She started coming to me before I was like, got to get the content, before I was like really on getting my content. So I don't have any before pictures from when we very first started. Oh, I hate that too. But her skin has come a really long way and it is able to handle a lot of different skincare modalities. I don't even know if that was the right word. But anyways, y'all, so nano needling is just what it says. The needles are extremely, they are nano size. They are extremely small. So I wanted to start using that one, like I said, to make sure that, see how her skin will be able to accept it. See, where her pain tolerance, her pain level is. Because I'm not really, comfortable using any type of lidocaine or numbing agent. We're going to see first. So whenever you are nano needling, you pretty much can go in a circular motion. You pretty much can go in an up and down motion. This area is not like the face, like how on the forehead it'll be a little bit more sensitive because it's really nothing, no fat or no cushion there. There's only just the skin and the bone. This area is not like that. It's a little cushion down here. So you can pretty much go in a circular motion or in an up and down motion. Whenever I'm on the mound area, I'm using a circular motion to push that serum down in there. And this is a Meso Bright serum. Right now we are working on evening out her skin tone and helping where the acne scarring is. And the scarring from the ingrown hairs and all that, we are trying to lighten those areas. So this is a Meso Bright serum that we are using. And whenever I am in the lip area, I'm going in circular motions and up and down motions, simply because of the anatomy of the lip area. And like I said, if you are wanting to see that the video will be uploaded over on OnlyFans, and the censor little thingy jig that I don't know what to call it. It won't be censored. So if you're trying to see how exactly you can nano needle and micro needle in the lip area, the labia area, go ahead and go over there. It is free to subscribe. The link will be down in the description. It's free to subscribe, but the videos are not free. Most of the time they are no more than $9.97 for these types of videos. I do have some other how-to videos over there that will be more than that, but these types of videos, the vajacial videos, simple stuff like that, they're usually no more than $9.97. So if you want to see, placing the serum in that area, if you want to see me actually treating that area with my Derma Pen, then head on. But finish watching this one first, girl. Finish watching this one for me, girl. And then click the link in the description and head on over there to my OnlyFans, and you'll be able to see it. So with microneedling and nanoneedling, like I said, nanoneedling is pretty much painless. She said she didn't. It felt like the mechanical exfoliation. She didn't really feel anything. She does have a very high tolerance for pain, though. So, cause baby, all of it feel away to me. I'm not gonna say the nanoneedling necessarily hurts, but baby, I can feel it. I can feel it now, but I do have a very low tolerance for pain. So just make sure you check in with your client the whole time you're doing it. Like I asked, we'll literally be talking about everything up under the sun. Like I said, she's been coming to me for over a year now, so we know all each other's business, and I'll still like stop in the middle of the conversation and be like, you good, you okay? Just make sure you're checking on them periodically throughout the service. As you can see, there was no blood or anything like that. That was the nano needling cartridge. So it's pretty safe to do. I am definitely going to continue to record this and let you all go on the journey with me. She's pretty much comfortable with being on camera, long as her face is not in there. Hey, can't blame nobody. But so that way I will be able to document us evening out her skin tone and just overall making this area bikini ready. That's what vajacials are all about. You want that skin to be just as pretty as the skin on your face. So we're probably going to go ahead on and step it up a notch. Probably going to do the 36 needle cartridge the next time on a 0.25 depth on the next time that she comes. Well, yeah, that's probably what we're going to do the next time. So if you have not already, go ahead on and hit that subscribe button. If you are here for these types of videos, if you want to go on my aesthetic journey with me, you want to see me treat my clients and, do all different types of stuff in my spa and all of that. Then subscribe, darling. Subscribe. Join the family. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And y'all, I have not forgot, I have been seeing y'all's comments. I am going to put the link, or I'm going to look for a link to this mask that I can put down in the description box. I'm going to keep looking too. So if I don't have it down there by the time this one comes up, by the time I post this video here, just come back and I will definitely, if not the link, then definitely the name of it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all are some real ones. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.